Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mole crabs. First, let's talk about catching them. Head to a sandy beach at low tide where the waves are receding. Look for small V-shaped ripples in the wet sand, indicating their presence. You can use a fine mesh net, like a bait net, or simply your hands to scoop them up from the top few inches of sand. Aim for about 100 to 200 crabs for a good meal. Once you've gathered your mole crabs, proper cleaning is crucial. Place them in a colander and rinse them thoroughly under cold running water. You'll want to agitate them gently to dislodge any sand or debris. Repeat this rinsing process at least 3 or 4 times, or until the water runs completely clear. This ensures a grit-free and enjoyable culinary experience, preparing them perfectly for your chosen cooking method. Now for the exciting part, cooking. A simple and popular method is boiling. Bring a pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add your cleaned mole crabs. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes or until their shells turn a vibrant orange. Another delicious option is pan-frying them whole in a tablespoon of olive oil until they are crispy and golden brown, offering a delightful crunch. Finally, it's time to enjoy your freshly cooked mole crabs. Serve them immediately, either boiled or fried, with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. For an extra treat, offer a small bowl of melted butter, a zesty aioli, or a classic cocktail sauce for dipping. Their delicate, slightly sweet flavor and unique texture make them a fantastic, sustainable snack or a delightful addition to any seafood spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.